Alright, we got a little tricky one for you. Got the rope tied to the truck, going around this tree. I'm making a video. I'm going around this tree, tied up to those branches up there. We're gonna relieve the weight that's kind of tied into this branch. I'm gonna spear cut it, and I want it to drop right there, not hitting that fixture. Or not fixture, but that object. Hey you guys, the tree's cracking. We're just taking our time. Just be patient, because you just can't rush these things. But it's falling, trust me. If you guys are listening, you can hear like little tiny cracks, but it's gonna go any second. Just hang on. Did you guys see that? Oh yeah. That was perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I was up there. It was the angle that I was cutting at. If it was flat like this, it would have went a long time ago. Oh, that's what I'm saying. That was a perfection. That was to perfection.
That is awesome.
Okay, on this one we're getting set up to the trees has a hard lean backwards towards that gazebo, which the other one, the other branch that we just cut was going towards too. But we have it chained up the same way, and we got a truck to it the same way, and we're gonna pull it in the opposite direction that it wants to fall. But it lands perfect too. But I wasn't too happy with the way I cut it. But, you know, in the end result, everything went perfect. You can't ask for nothing more than that. there. You can see how it's all, it's just not angled right. Looks good. Maybe I'm just trying to be a perfectionist. I guess it was turned out okay. This is where I didn't record it, but so he was cutting that main trunk right there, and the tree took the saw with it, and it got literally 1 inch away from crushing it. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you guys have a good time watching, these videos. Yeah. All right, you guys. Bye.